Go.
There has been little research done on ethics in athletic training. In order to prepare athletic training students for the profession, there needs to be an understanding of their ethical views. Being aware of this can help better the ethical aspect of athletic training in the clinical settings for undergraduate students. It will be beneficial in future teaching to understand how to reason and behave in a way that benefits the subjects. My objective was to understand if there is a difference between moral philosophy and ethical decision making between different colleges, whether the participant is a student or an instructor, and by gender. This will be done by investigating moral philosophies of undergraduate athletic training students and instructors. The effects that gender and size of the school attended will also be looked into to decide if it affects the individual ethical decision making scores. My setting electronic surveys were distributed to 13 institutions that have athletic training programs. I received data back from 5 colleges. The research was compiled at Emory and Henry College. I had undergraduate students and instructors from Radford University, Emory and Henry College, Tusculum College, King College, and Concord University, which equaled out to be 32 participants. My conclusion is that this data tells us that more participants as a whole were idealistic than relativistic. There was a gender difference in ethical decision-making viewpoints. There's also a difference in instructor versus student and ethical decision-making scores. When looking at the differences between colleges, King College and Concord University participants had equal scores, and Tusculum scored differently than both. When comparing Radford University and Emory and Henry, there was a difference between ethical decision-making scores.